Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today I have got this Apple Watch Ultra 2 and this is my second Apple Ultra watch. The first generation was really good. I really liked it. So this during the Black Friday sale or the Cyber Monday sale here in US, I bought another one. Let me do a quick unboxing and show you what are the contents before doing a deep dive and showing you all the features of this watch. Alright, let's see. Typical Apple product. As you open it, to be honest, this unboxing experience for this watch is really good. You get this card on the top. This is obviously an adventure watch, so geared towards that. There is something, okay, this side, Apple Watch, and then the booklet has some bands information, some watch information. It's really good. I like it. And I guess some warranty information. Perfect. I'll keep this on the side for now. And then you get two different boxes here. As you can see, the first one contains the watch and other one contains this band. So I went with this Ocean band in blue. I had the same band with my Ultra Generation 1 and I really like this band, so I just went with this band. Let me quickly unbox and show you the contents. So this is how the box completely looks like. The watch here. Let's quickly unbox it. Okay, let's open it. Ta-da! On the left you have this designed by Apple in California, and these are the coordinates for their office. Let's look at the cable. It is braided cable this time, which is really nice touch, and then metal housing or metal construction for the charger. It is really good. I will take it out. As you can see, the braided cable this time, which will be obviously more durable, so I really like this touch. And the watch here in this environmental friendly packaging. Let me open it, and another one here. The back, front looks exactly similar to last year's watch, but obviously there are a few changes. I will list those in my next video, probably as a short or something, so that it is quick and easily consumable. The thing with this watch is that even at the back you won't see Ultra 2 somewhere. It's all Apple Watch Ultra. As you can see here, Apple Watch Ultra, nothing else. So nothing changes from the last year watch. Let me keep it here and show you the band now. So this is the packaging for band that comes with the watch. You can select which band you want when you're buying the watch. You have a lot of options actually, but as I told you, I really like this Ocean band in blue color, so I just went with that one. Really good. The quality of this band is just impeccable. I liked it so much. It's breathable, it fits my hand really well. The biggest con of Apple Watch Ultra is that it gets this hardware to just put it there so that you can loop the band around. Yes, I was saying the biggest disadvantage of the Apple Watch Ultra is that its weight. It's really heavy, to be honest, and that makes it difficult. But this band secures the watch so much better than any other band that I've seen, and that is why it feels much secure in your hand and feels part of your hand because of this chunky, very good quality band here. So let me quickly do that. I like to wear it on my left hand in this orientation, where the buttons and everything is inside, so that I'm able to use them with my thumb. So I'll do that. See, this is how it looks now. So this watch is definitely something I have really liked using for 1 year and upgraded to Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.